My name is Keith Sutherland. I'm Managing Director of Focus Search Partners' Retained Executive Search Division. Recently, we were tasked by Iron Path Capital to assist in the recruitment of a Chief Medical Officer for Emergence Health. CMOs, physician executive searches, are always a difficult search process, but Carson, can you describe the particulars around what you were looking for in this position and future potential development of the leadership team there?
Emergence was formed through the merger of two different urgent care platforms, two brands, and both of those brands had chief medical officers, and both of them kind of wanted to move on into other roles. And so we really were looking for someone who had the chief medical officer title and experience, but could, one, bring the two organizations together and the physician leadership and the clinical leadership of the organization across a much bigger platform, and also help us grow in that regard. And so we were looking for someone who could help us do that, and also just ensure that we're, again, providing the highest quality care to the most patients in an affordable manner.
Mm-hmm. And the search, as it often happens, it evolves in our thinking as we go through the process and look at candidates. So how do you feel the focus team responded to your needs and changes in what you were looking for?
We started out with the idea that we needed this chief medical officer, and we did. But as we saw candidates, and we saw a lot of candidates, and we found some really good ones and some really good chief medical officer candidates, we also found someone that we believe can be more, and that's what was really exciting. I mean, from my perspective, just a successful CMO would have been a great outcome from this process, but we found someone that we believe can be a CMO plus, and that's an even better outcome for us from the search process. Hiring anyone in this environment is really difficult, so being able to screen a number of candidates, especially in a more technical type role like this one, was just something that we couldn't do on our own. We had tried a little bit, and we had a very small pool of candidates, and as a result, the quality was poor. So a big Rolodex, a lot of candidates, and essentially a big funnel that gets us to fewer high quality candidates was really important for us in terms of the success of the search.
At Focus Search Partners, we build teams that grow companies.